Very good morning to all. In previous video, we completed the different type of food is eaten in different region, and we talked about a food eaten in northern India, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Rajma and rice. Now in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, chapati is a staple food. Pay your attention over here in Punjab. Okay, it's also a part of a Indian food, a state Punjab. So which type of food is eaten in state of Punjab? In northern India, पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड उत्तर प्रदेश, वहां के स्टेट के लोग क्या खाते हैं? चपाटी, दैट यू नो, रोटी इज अ स्टेपल. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टेपल? MAIN, मेन फूड. ओके, रोटी, चपाटी इज अ मेन फूड. स्टेपल मीन्स मेन. ओके, तो अंडरलाइन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ STAPLE. Staple means main food. Every day they wants roti because roti or chapati is a main means staple food. Food such as dal makhani, sarson ka saag, kadai paneer are favorite food of people of this region. Here we know always in Gujarat, we Gujarati people, when we go in hotel for dinner or lunch, okay, maybe to celebrate some birthday party or our friends, we go in a hotel. Okay, so always we choose Punjabi dish and kadai paneer, okay, or paneer butter masala, tawa paneer. तो वो तवा पनीर, कढ़ाई पनीर, that is called kadai paneer, are favorite food of the people of this region. Okay, we are not Punjabi, also we Gujarati people choose Punjabi dish when we go in hotel. Okay, now West Indian food, achars, pickle. Achars means pickle. आपकी मम्मी घर पे जो अचार बनाती है मैंगो का, that is called pickle, are used as a substitute. Underline the spelling of SUBSTITUTES. Substitutes means, okay, option. If some of the peoples are habituated, every day they require the pickles, okay, that is called substitute. For the relative lack of fresh vegetable. Okay, if the vegetable is not available in some of the season, like monsoon season, due to heavy rain, the vegetables are washed away and maybe decayed, so vegetables are not available, or lack of vegetable की कमी है कोई सीजन में, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ऑप्शन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूट? ऑप्शन. ओके, ए नहीं तो ए. अगर सब्जी कम है और घर पे खाने वाले लोग ज्यादा है तो हम दो रोटी के साथ आचार हम खा सकते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड सब्स्टिट्यूट. तो अंडरलाइन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूट मींस ऑप्शन. ओके, फॉर द रिलेटिव अ lack of fresh vegetable in desert area. ओके, डेजर्ट एरिया में वेजिटेबल्स कम होते हैं बिकॉज वहां पे सैंडी सॉइल ज्यादा होती है. पीपल इन राजस्थान, अंडरलाइन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ राजस्थान. Here three spellings are there. Okay, staple, substitute and Rajasthan. People living in Rajasthan add a lot of spice to their food because Rajasthani people are habituated to eat a spicy food. तीखा खाना खाते हैं. Bombay duck and a Pomfret are popular varieties of a fish eaten as a food in the coastal area. Bombay duck is a species of a duck, is a form of non-vegetarian food. Okay, in the coastal area, जो सी कोस्ट है, दरिया किनारा बोलते हैं जिसको, ओके। तो नियर बाय सी कोस्ट एरिया दे हैव टू ईट अ फिश एंड डक, बॉम्बे डक। पाव भाजी, ओके, पाव भाजी, फिर VINDALOO, विंडलो, एक्सेट्रा आर अदर फेमस वेस्ट इंडियन डिशेस, ओके। पाव भाजी तो नॉर्मल डिशेस available in all over India. So these are the popular item eaten in Western Indian food. Okay. So here you have to underline the Rajasthan, and popular means most important. What is the meaning of popular? Most importance. Now next East Indian food. ओके, ये इंडिया की जो ऑल डायरेक्शन है वहां पे अलग अलग रीजन में, अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जो अलग अलग स्टेट के लोग रहते हैं, तो हाउ दे कैन सर्वाइव द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फूड। नेक्स्ट, the staple food of Bengalis, okay, East Indian means Bengali people, so the staple means main, so the main food of Bengalis, underline the spelling of Bengalis means people staying in West Bengal, and of people living in the coastal area in the combination of rice and fish curry. What is the combination of their food? Rice and fish curry. They are used a non-veg, okay, with rice. So here underline combination means mixing. COMBINATION. Combination means mixing of rice and fish curry. Underline the spelling of combination. Now sweet item. Sweet is prepared using the milk like rasgulla, sandesh, cham-cham, and many more are very popular in Bengal. People from the northeast generally eat rice, fish, meat, and pork. Okay, means fish, meat, and pork are a non-vegetarian mixing with rice, combination with this fish item. Because most of West Bengal people eat a non-veg item. So these are the popular food item eaten in East India food. It's located, okay, कौन सा स्टेट लोकेटेड है वहां पे? वेस्ट बंगाल। चलो, नाउ नेक्स्ट, next topic, South Indian food. In South India, fish and coconut are commonly used in most of the dishes. Okay, they prepare their food using a coconut oil. Here in Gujarat, we can use a mustard seed oil or a groundnut seed oil or sesame oil to prepare a food. But in South Indian food, South Indian people use to prepare vegetables and all types of food using a coconut oil, and their most staple food is fish because they already live nearby sea coast, are commonly used in most of the dishes. In Kerala, because Kerala is located in south part of India, some of the delicious, underline the spelling of delicious, underline the spelling of commonly. Commonly means most, always these two items are there in dish. Okay, coconuts में से जो sweet बनती है, that sweets are also available in there commonly in all type of festivals. Delicious means different taste, that is called delicious. DELICIOUS, underline the spelling of delicious, and commonly means always two items are there in the dishes. So delicious dishes are lamb stew and uttapam, fried prawns, idlis, dosas, fish molly, and rice pattu. These are the names of item. Okay, fish molly means maybe some item is prepared from fish. Okay, gravy वाली कोई item है, that is called fish molly, and rice pattu. These are the items used by the South Indian people. Okay, so now here you have to underline two spelling, commonly and delicious. Now here this table is given in your textbook that you have to fill by yourself in this table with pencil compulsory. Okay, because already in all paragraph the item is given, you have to only search out. First, North India, हमने देखा कश्मीर के लोग क्या खाते हैं, राजमा एंड राइस. ओके, तो आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. ईस्ट इंडिया क्या आपने है, आपके पैराग्राफ में है, आपको ईस्ट इंडिया वाला पैराग्राफ आप ओपन करोगे, यू गॉट इट. ओके, वेस्ट इंडिया एंड साउथ इंडिया हमने देखा कि कितनी सारी आइटम्स दी है साउथ इंडिया में. ओके, आउट ऑफ दिस 5 to 6 आइटम यू हैव टू राइट एनी 3 or 4 आइटम. तो इन ऑल डिफरेंट रीजन स्टेट different food items are used. You have to write over here by yourself in homework. Now next, festival dishes. Here we know in our Gujarat, okay, when Diwali is there, when Holi is there, when Uttarayan is there, so we are making a chakki and all type of tansakri, chikki. Okay, this we are using. So festival dishes, people of India celebrate many festivals throughout the year. Okay, every month some festivals are there in a different type of state. Okay, now और in Gujarat अभी हमारा फेस्टिवल्स आएगा, गणपति भगवान का फेस्टिवल आएगा, नवरात्रि आएगी. ओके, गणेश चतुर्थी आएगी, गणेश विसर्जन आएगा. Okay, just now the Gauri Vrat is over, so many festivals are there. Okay, we can celebrate in India. So people of India celebrate, underline the spelling of celebrate, a festival throughout the year. Whole years some festivals are there celebrated. Special food dishes are cooked on these festivals. Various regions practice also influence the type of food prepared on a particular festivals. And in particular festivals are there, like Diwali is there, so we can decorate, we can prepare so many items. Okay, in Diwali, and we decorate our home. Let's learn about some of a special food cooked during festival. First festival, Makar Sankranti. Okay, is another name of Makar Sankranti is there. Uttarayan, that we celebrated on 14th January. During this festival, the most commonly eaten of the sweet made with sesame seed. Okay, sesame means तिल आते हैं और उसके सीड में से आपकी मम्मी गुड़ और घी और शक्कर डाल के जो आपकी मम्मी चिक्की बनाती है. ग्राउंड नट की भी बनती है और सिसेम की भी बनती है, मूंगफली की. तो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चिक्कीज, अदरवाइज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ स्वीट्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम सिसेम सीड एंड जिगर मींस गुड़ में से बनती है. राइस इज कुक्ड with a milk and jaggery, that is called kheer, KHEER, that is called kheer. Okay, and sugar drops. Jaggery is a dark crude sugar made from dates. Okay, sugar cane में से जो गुड़ बनाने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, that is called a dark crude sugar made from dates. So this is prepared on a most important festival celebrated in Gujarat, that is Makar Sankranti. Next, that is Shivratri, a birthday of God Shiv Bhagwan. Okay, a birthday of God Shiva. The beverage popular on this festival is Thandai. Beverage means most important. Underline the spelling of beverage. B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. The pronunciation of this spelling is beverage. B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. Popular. Underline the spelling of beverage on this festival is Thandai. Okay, ठंडाई सीड में से बनती है. ओके, अ ड्रिंक मेड विथ मिल्क, आलमंड्स एंड HEMP, हिप सील, जो हम गुजराती में वलियारी खाते हैं, जो मुखवास में हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड HEMP, हेम्प सील. सो मिल्क, आलमंड और हेम्प सील से जो ठंडाई बनती है, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट beverage. Okay, otherwise beverage is popular drink in used on Shivratri day, because शंकर भगवान को ये ठंडाई बहुत अच्छी लगती थी और वो प्रसाद फॉर्म में उसको हम धराते हैं और खाते हैं. ओके, चलो होली. Delicates eaten during the festival include a malpua. Delicious eaten during this festival include a malpua, fresh bread soaked in sugar syrup. Okay, जो wheat में से जो items बनती है, that is called bread, और bread को soaked करते हैं पानी में या milk में, अगर एंड उसके बाद उसको सुगर सिरप में उसको डीप करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड मालपुआ. आपकी मम्मी घर पे बनाती ही है. इट्स अ स्वीट इन टेस्ट. चलो, पूरन पोली. पूरन पोली, अनलेवेंटेड व्हीट एंड ब्रेड स्टफ्ड विद जिगर. किसमें से बनती है? गुड़ में से बनती है पूरन पोली. मॉर्निंग में जो तुअर की दाल आती है उसको हम मिश्रण लगाते हैं, और आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू ऐड जिगरी और शुगर, एंड वी हैव टू यूज अ व्हीट फ्लोर टू मेक अ पूरन पोली एंड बेक्ड ऑन अ ग्रिडल. उसका बेक्ड बनाते हैं, ग्रिडल बनाते हैं, और उसके बाद व्हेन वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ राउंड रोटी, पुट दिस ग्रिडल इन द मिडल एंड अगेन वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ रोटी. That is called Puran Poli. And Gujia. Gujia is the most important item used on the Holi, made in Rajasthan. Okay, they are first offered to the deity and then served to everyone throughout the day. वो वहां पे जितने भी लोग आते हैं, ओके, वहां पे वो लोग ऐसे प्रसाद फॉर्म में उसको सर्व करते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा. ओके, सो दीज आर द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड डिलीशियस डिशेस prepared on Holi festival.